Now let me take up examples from NCERT only, and I'll explain you in a very easy way. If you have watched my previous video, then I think you can easily understand that you easily know what to do. Okay, you need to put variables on one side and numbers on the other side, right? So the same thing we'll be doing here. We have fractions. We are not going to worry from that or be scared from that. We are not going to do that. The same strategy we will follow. And if we are somewhere we find variables, if you feel that they are distracting, just ignore them and solve this, because what you can see, these are fractions. So we solve them like fractions. First, let us do the basic thing. This is your expression 6x plus 1 by 3 plus 1, the same. So now we'll be continuing with the second part of the chapter. Little bit more complicated equations you will be seeing in them, but the strategy is same, keeping variables on one side and constants on the other side. So you can find the same thing. Don't worry from this, don't stress out from seeing such big equations and all that you've not solved, fractions and all. Don't worry, the same strategy will follow. First we have 6x here and x here, so we'll bring x1 expression to here, and 1 is here, so we'll bring it here because this is a constant. 6x plus 1, this is a whole fraction. You can just copy this and bring this whole fraction to the other side. X minus 3 by 6, 1 will become minus 1. Okay, and then you can solve it like a fraction only. So what you will do, LCM will be 6. Here you will be getting twice into 6x plus 1 and minus x minus 3 is equal to minus 1. Then quickly just solve this equation. Open the brackets. It will be 12x. I would highly recommend, if you have not watched my previous video, please go and watch it, because if you will watch it, then this will be easier for you. Okay, if you are not able to understand the basic concepts, how I'm solving the equations and all, what strategies I'm applying, please do it. Please watch the video. It will hardly take half an hour. Watch it at 1.5x. You will easily be able to finish within half an hour, and your exercise 2.1 will be solved as well, because I have solved that exercise here. I will be cross multiplying it actually, and we are opening this bracket. Minus sign was there, so actually I have opened the minus x and plus 3 it will become, and then we will cross multiply actually, because that's only we can do. Before cross multiplying, I'll solve this. I'll make it in x and a number. This will be 11x and plus 5, and it will be minus 1, and here is 6. Now you can cross multiply. Then you will be getting 11x plus 5 is equal to minus 6. Solving it further, you will get 11x is 11 equal. This will go here. Basic thing, watch the video if you are not able to understand. Okay, x is equal to 1. How you got x equal to 1? I divided both the sides by 11. Now here I am only teaching you how to solve. If you want to write some steps, dividing both sides, if you want you can write it, but I don't think it's required, because in NCERT also it's not mentioned. So don't write the steps like a kid. Just solve it, that's enough. Okay, so taking up the second example, 5x minus 2, 2x minus 7 is equal to. After this we'll be solving the exercise 2.2 completely. I'll solve every question and it will be very easy for you. Okay, there are 10 questions and we'll solve all the 12 questions in this. Okay, and trust me, if you watch this video and the previous video, you can easily solve any question of linear equation which comes up in your exam. Okay, so this is your example 2. Again, nothing to worry in this. You can just open up this bracket first of all. First solve these brackets. Whenever you see these brackets, you first solve this, open them. I have taught you how to multiply the number 2 with each of the number inside the bracket, each of the term inside the bracket. Okay, so this will be with the sign you need to multiply. This is minus 2, so it will be minus 4x plus 14. Plus 14. Please take care of the sign. This is 2 plus 7 by 2. Simplify it a bit further so that it's more simpler, and simplify this as well. minus 2 plus 7 by 2. I think you can easily solve this. It will be minus 4 plus 7 by 2. Okay, quickly we can do this. Again the same strategy, equations, variables on one side and equations on and numbers on other side. Okay, I'm doing it a bit quick because basically I've done basic things I've already taught you in the previous video, so that's why I'm solving it like little bit faster. Okay, you have minus 5, so you can first minus sign cancel out from both the sides, and then what you can do is that 5 you can, because you want x, so you divide by both the sides by 5. Okay, divided by 5 you will get 25, you will get 5 and answer is 5 by 2. See, if you have a common factor you can directly cancel it out from here also. You will get 5 by 2, 5 5s are 25, you can cancel it out. Okay, is it clear for you? Now we'll solve the exercise 2.2. Okay, question number 1. The same strategy if you follow, you can do it. X by 2 minus x by 3. I'm bringing this on this side, I'll take this on this side. Okay, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. Okay, take the LCM, solve it, you will get x, and here what I'll take the LCM. Okay, it is x by 6 and this is LCM is 20, it will be 9. Okay, solve it, cross multiply it, you can cancel it out also, but you can cross multiply. I'm not solving it. And then you will need to divide this by 20, both the sides by 20. Now you can cancel it out with this is 3 and this is 10, and you will get your answer as 27 by 10, which is 2.7. Okay, so next question. Question 2, n by 2 minus 3n by 4 is equal, plus 5n by 6 is equal to 21. See, you can take LCM in this, solve it and see all these equations you are having fractions terms. You can see just your now only thing is that in fractions how we solve, you take LCM, that only you have to do. Just make it, they have given a little bit complicated things, you just need to simplify them, and then you need to do the same thing as you have done in the previous video we have done. So it's just that they have made it the equations a little bit complicated, right? LCM will be 12. Okay, this will be 6n, this will be 9n, and this will be 10n. You can easily simplify this. What will you get? 16 minus plus 16 minus 9 will be 7n by 12. Again, so you can cancel this out from here. Okay, this will be 3. So n is equal to, you can, if you don't know how I have cancelled this, I'll just show it over here. 7n by 12 is equal to 21. So what will you do? You will actually cross multiply this and you will do it like this, and then you will divide both the sides by 7. You will actually get this only, no? 2 3, that is, either you can do this or you can directly do. Now you can cross multiply. Here is only n because this is 1 and 3. Yeah, 1 and 3, and here it is 3 into 12. That is your answer. What is this? 36. So you can get the same. Either you can cross multiply if at the starting, or you can cancel it out. Like, this is very simple. I'm teaching these basic things, assuming that if anyone who doesn't is not very good in solving, I'm assuming someone is there or maybe someone is they are not so good, so that's why I'm explaining it in very basic manner. But if you're good at solving, it's basically nothing for you. The most easiest chapter, I think this is. Okay. Again the same thing. X plus 7 is there and minus 8x, so we'll be taking again the same thing. This will come here, and 17 is there, this 5 will come here, otherwise it's same. The basic strategy: 8 minus 3x, 17, and the number is 7, right? So it will be this. Yeah. Then we can take the LCM on both the sides. I'm just taking the LCM, I'm not doing anything, okay? This is 42. Then you can solve this. What is 21 minus 16? Okay, so this is 5x, and 42 minus 17 will be minus 25. Okay, and then you can quickly cancel this. You will get x will be minus 5 by 6. If it is clear, I guess. And then next we can take up third question. Third, okay, this was the third. Fourth is quick, is much easier. Okay, so this again, now already you have equations, you have variables on the both side. Let us like follow our basic strategy. What you either you can cross multiply. I'll show you it by cross multiplying also, or either you can do your same strategy of taking equations, taking variables on one side and constants on the other side. Okay, I'll solve it by cross multiplication also. LCM is 15. This will be 2x. Okay, and this will be minus 9, and this will be 25. Okay, then this will be 16, and this will be 2x by 15. Cancel 15. Now this is much easier to cancel like this. Don't do cross multiplication. Cross multiplication unnecessarily takes up time. Okay, cross multiplication unnecessarily will take up a lot of time. Now instead of breaking out all these fractions, you can either do cross multiplication also. So this will be 5 x minus 5 into 3 x minus 3. Now you just open up the brackets. 25, 3x minus 9. I think this is much easier. 2x is equal to minus 9 plus 25, which is equal to 16, and x is equal to 8. Okay, if any step is not clear, please comment. I'll be definitely going to reply to you. Please, I want to make sure that everything is clear to you, and unless you will not reply, I can't come to know that something is not clear to you. So please reply, please comment. Okay, I don't want to make the video very long because then it becomes boring for you to watch. Okay, and I know you want to complete your chapter as soon as possible. Okay, so again, either first of all, whenever you see the first step, either I know I can solve this, I know I can take LCM and do 12, but before that always we'll do our first step first. Okay, so that it is easier for us. Now we'll do the LCM taking. There are many ways to solve the equation. The easiest, and like I want to, because right now you are just starting to solve, so I don't want you to make any mistake. That's why I'm keeping the strategy same in every equation. This will be by 3. Okay, minus 4. I can directly multiply it, but some of you will feel it how I've done, so that is why I'm not doing it directly. Okay, only one is there. Yeah, only 2 by 3 is there on that side. Oh, sorry. This is 90 minus. Now here you need to be careful with your calculations. Okay, you should not go wrong with the calculations. Plus and minus 12 can be cancelled out. You will get what? T by say minus 6 by 12, 2 by 3. Cross multiply. Here you can cross first. Before that you cancel. First simplify, then cross multiply. Okay, I write it. Simplify, then cross multiply. Okay, so t minus 6 is equal to 4 to size 8 and t is equal to 14. Now I'll solve the same equation by breaking out the fraction. Okay, denominator separating the numerator, because so that you may find the, like, you stick to that only, like separating the variables and constants, but I think this will be easier. I'm not doing anything. First I'll do the same thing, separating the variable. Here you can make a mistake in sign also. This has a hole now. This is a little bit difficult trick, but the difficult way to solve actually, but still I'm solving this, maybe so that you have numerous ways to solve. I don't know what time, like what type of question comes up, what strategy, what you feel like would be easier for you. You should try to solve a question in as many ways so that you become good at it. 3t by 4 minus 2t by 3 and plus t. Now I'm doing nothing, I'm just separating out the numbers on one side and variables on the other side. Okay, you need to be careful with the calculations. You will be having a 12 as LCM. This will be 90, 80 plus 12t. Please be careful with the calculations. Okay, and I'm also solving it with you only. I've not solved this before. Okay, so this is 6, this is 6, I'm sorry, this is 4. Okay, and this is 3. 12 plus 9 is 21. 21 minus 8 is, have I done something wrong over here? I feel that. Okay, this is 7 plus 6. I think I've done it correct only. Yeah, this 13 will get cancelled, this will get 2. So t is equal to 2. Okay, I've done something wrong because t is coming out to be 2. Let me check the answer for this one. Answer is 2. So the first method I must have done something wrong. Somewhere I might have made a mistake here. I think there's a sign mistake I've done. Okay. I don't know exactly where I've done the sign mistake, but I'll just have a look, okay? Because you can solve it by both the methods. I'm so sorry that I'm wasting up a little bit of your time. Yeah, I'm so sorry. I had a T over here. I'm so sorry. This won't cancel out in that case. It will be, wait, solve it again from here. Now if you will solve it, this will be again you will get you will get 13t, and this will be 18, and Here is 12. Now you can just cancel this, and now you can cross multiply. You will get 26. So t is equal to 2. A small mistake can make you get your answer wrong. And here, see, both the methods are correct. I am not saying this is easier. I think the second one is a little bit easier because you are breaking down the fractions such you are not multiplying the numbers in brackets. So that is a little bit easy for you because you are a beginner right now. I also made mistake. Question number 6. m minus 1 by 2, 1 minus m by 2 into 3 upon 3, sorry. Again, I'll be moving with the breaking the terms way. But in this, you need to be like, if the minus sign is there now, you need to be a little bit careful with it. I'll just break the fraction. If someone is not getting what I'm doing in this, m by 2 can be written as m minus 1 by 2 can be written as this. Okay, I'm just breaking the fraction, separating the, like each term of the numerator you are giving the, because they have the same denominator now, so you can split the fraction. Sorry. That's why it's a little bit complicated. You will have to be careful with the sign. Minus sign is there now. So first you split it, then you give the minus sign. Otherwise, if you will try to do in one step, then you will be actually making mistakes. M minus 2 plus 1 by 2 m. Now you can do your basic thing of separating constants and variables. Please be careful with the sign. Algebra is all about sign. Okay, quickly taking up the LCM. 6m minus 3m plus 2m, 4, 3 plus 6. Solving it, 8 minus 3 is 5m and 6. 10 minus 3 is 8. Okay, yeah, 6 gets cancelled out. M is equal to 5m is equal to 8. So m is equal to 8 by 5, dividing both the sides by 5. Okay, any doubt you need to comment me. Okay, I'm really sorry over here. It is actually 7. I'm sorry. Okay, this is 7. Next question. Yeah, these are, now we have done the fraction one. Now we'll be quickly doing, these are also very this easy questions. We have done these type of questions in the previous video. Quickly just need to open the bracket, multiply 3 with each term. Okay, that is how you open. 5 with each term. Any doubt, any part of the video you can't understand, comment down. Okay, I'm just showing the arrow if you are still not okay with it, like if you are still not understanding, so arrows I'm drawing, but it's really not required. Okay, so it is 7, so you need to divide both the sides by minus 7, then only it will be 1. Whatever the number is there, same number you divide. Okay, so t will be, here you will get t, but here because you have 7 minus sign, the minus 7 is there, so you'll get minus 2, you'll not get 2. Okay, make sure algebra is all about signs. Be careful of the sign. Okay, next now next question is 8. Question number 8. Question number 8 is 15y minus 4 minus 2y minus 9 plus 5y minus 5 plus 6 is equal to 0. Now see, here you are having nothing on one side of equality, it's just a 0. So first we'll open up our brackets. Okay, please be careful with the sign. Don't make mistakes with the sign. The moment you make mistake with one sign, you are getting the whole question wrong. Okay, please be really careful with the sign. This is plus 20 minus 2. This will be 18y. And here you will be getting y. 18y is equal to, now you can bring the number on the other side. So 0 plus 10 is 12. Divide both the sides by 18. Simplify the fraction. This will be, okay, this will be 4. This will be 6. And this will be 2. This will be 3. So this will be 2 by 3. Next question. How many questions are left? Okay, last 2 questions are there, no? Yeah, only last 2 questions are there. Quickly we'll do them. Any doubt? Comment. I'm just opening the brackets. I'm doing nothing. Okay. And please practice, because practice is the only way by which you can get your algebra. Oh my god, how come this happened? But you can get your algebra strong. Okay, there's nothing like you need to just practice this. Okay, the more you will practice, the more better you are going to get at it. If you think that you're not going to practice and then everything will be like you can do it just at the examination hall, most of the people, they do the same mistake. And at the examination hall, they will make mistake. The more you will solve, the less number of mistakes you are going to make. Okay, so I think you have understood. This was pure calculation. It had a little bit calculation. So if you'll practice more, the calculation will become faster. And this one has a little bit of decimal. They are trying to scare you with the decimal, but either you can solve directly in decimal or you can convert the decimal to fraction. It will be better, I guess, as seeing the numbers. You can solve it in decimal only, because this is 0.25. No, you can convert into fraction because it's 1 by 4. It will cancel out completely. And this is 0.5. It is 1 by 20 actually. Okay. And if you don't understand how I'm getting, maybe someone might not understand. So 0.25 can be written as 25 by 100. If you cancel this out, you will get 1 by 4. Okay, and similarly, if you're not understanding, it is for that reason. Okay, now you can simply multiply the fraction with the each term of the bracket. Then now this becomes again a cakewalk. Cancel this. This will be 2. F minus 3 by 4. F by 2 minus 9 by 20. The same strategy. Variables one side, constants one side. This is F by 2. Take the LCM. Answer is 6 by 10. You can write your answer, simplify it more, 0.6. So this is all we have done, the linear equations in one variable. I have solved complete exercise for you. Both the exercises I have done. The previous exercise I have done in the first video. You can check it out on my channel. Keep practicing. Okay, practice. The more you practice, the more you're better. Solve these exercises by yourself at least one time. Both the exercises you need to solve by yourself without watching my video. You have watched my video, then you can, like, what you can do is that you can if you've understood everything, it's fine. Anything you have not understood, you comment out, and tomorrow you solve the full exercise with full exercise, okay, by yourself. Maybe one day you can do 2.1, another day you can do 2.2. okay, so you just solve both exercises without watching my video, and then after some days you can solve them again. The more you will practice, the more you will get better at it. Then you can also solve from another workbook more questions. The key strategy is that you need to solve as many questions as possible to get better at it. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching. Comment out if you want to ask anything, and also if you want to get personalized classes, you can reach me out at my email. Okay, thank you for watching. Keep practicing.